Yo, sometimes it's not about how you look, about bringing out the gun show just because it's summer. No. Sometimes it's all about what you say. That is all you need to do to make that crush or that chick you've been simping over fall in love with you. Today, I'm gonna be specific as possible and show you 5 things that you need to add to your daily vocabulary when it comes to talking to girls that when you start saying it to them, they're gonna start falling in love with you. Let's hop into it. No. N-O. It's so simple. It's a 2-letter word. It just rolls out of the tongue, but it's impressive how most men, when they're in the presence of the girl that they like, can never say no. See, you need to start saying no more often because that in and of itself has power. It indirectly lets other people know, especially girls, that you're important. Your time is valuable. And if she wants your time, it's not just gonna be giving to her. Your time, she needs to deserve it in the same way that you're begging for her. This is how you start flipping the script. So stop doing favors for her. Stop doing things for her. Stop just being nice and saying yes to everything she wants and asks for, because that's not gonna get her to fall in love. Saying no will. Number 2, sorry, I was busy. Or sorry, I'm busy. Anytime that she texts you and expects a text immediately back, or she's asking you what you're doing and you hit her back with one of these, this is powerful. This just shows that you're not needy, that you got a life. And see, when you follow that up with a rescheduling text, like, oh, how about we do this date? It shows that she needs to work around your clock because you don't understand how many simps will drop everything that they have to do. It could be their own mama's birthday and they'll drop that just to spend time with this chick. When you make her realize that it's the other way around, that's gonna make her fall in love. She's not used to that. See, now you're being the 1% that says to her that she needs to work around her clock. She's never experienced this. This is when she starts overthinking, like, why is this guy always so busy? What is he doing that he doesn't want to spend time with me? This is when she starts becoming obsessed. She starts falling in love. Number 3, nothing. No, say nothing at all. I'm not even kidding. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is visual. See, if you're always polished, well taken care of, well groomed, women automatically, when they peep you, they're gonna think that you're a high value individual. You're gonna stand apart from most men because most men aren't putting that level of detail and precision into their own grooming routines. And I'm gonna be honest with you, that Axe body spray, it's not gonna cut it. Boys, we just had the largest drop for heat, including our new body wash and deodorant, and it is flying off the shelves right now. You wanna know why? It is insanely affordable. I wanted something that was similarly priced to those brands, but I wanted it to be 100 times more superior. And I was able to do that by studying the best body washes and deodorants in the market. And over a 6-month process, I studied them, I studied their ingredients, and then I built our own ingredient list out of the best of the best. Send that to our lab, and we came up with this. This body wash and deodorant, boys, will change your grooming game. It's not only the best of the best in the market, it's crazy affordable. Like, it is ridiculously affordable. For example, our body wash, we hyper-engineered the charcoal to pull more dirt, more oil from our pores, so you're actually cleansed. It's then infused with jojoba and bamboo beads to exfoliate the skin as you shower. And then it's also infused with niacinamide that hydrates the skin. So we have a perfect mix of organic materials that are healthy for you and engineered materials that actually perform. And this is why we have the best of the best. You try our body wash just one time, you're gonna step out with softer, smoother skin than any other body wash. Our deodorant, it's no different. If you guys wanna check out our heat products, boys, the link is down below. Pick up a body wash and a deodorant and see why it's the best in the game. Number 4. Yeah, I make about 100,000 a year, somewhere around there. I'm not kidding. No, okay, yeah, I am actually kidding. Don't actually say that, bro. You're gonna end up looking like a tool. Even though it's scientifically proven that 80% of the women are chasing after that 20% of men. And those 20% are the high earners. Same idea without actually saying it is to talk about your career, how passionate you are. What are your dreams, your aspirations? What are your goals? Bro, most people today, they don't even want to work. They would much rather live off the government and invest in Doge every time Elon tweets about it than actually putting in work in their own dreams and in aspirations. So you being the difference and actually bringing that out in conversation, yeah, she's gonna fall in love with you. And finally, number 5, never talk bad about past relationships. But do talk about your relationships. See, this is just gonna make her a bit jealous, which is just gonna fuel her obsession for you. But more importantly, it also shows social proof. It shows that other females have selected you in the past, which means you probably have the characteristics of a desirable man. And that's gonna make her obsessed even more. What you don't wanna do though is talk bad about your exes. Or say that they were just female dogs, or they were for the streets, or they were a complete psycho. See, when you start treating women like that, she's gonna assume that you talk about all women the same way, and she's gonna be no different, and that's gonna turn her off. Boys, that's 5 things that you can start saying to women that's gonna make them fall in love with you. That's it from me today, boys. See you next time.